So today we're going to test out this travel size steamer. All I have done is taken off the top, added some water in there, plugged it in and turned it on. As you can see, it is bubbling, boiling, steaming. It is ready to go. That probably only took about 45 seconds tops, which was great, really fast. The one thing I really love about this one is that it has the bristles along the top so that you actually can't touch the steam and that front nozzle directly on the fabric, because oftentimes when you do that, it leaves the water marks from the steam, so that's kind of good. It's gonna help prevent that. So we are just gonna go ahead and try and steam this shirt. As you can see, it is quite wrinkly, so I'm just gonna do a small little patch. It is a little bit difficult to do with one hand because normally I would have this hanging, and as I'm steaming, I would kind of be like pulling at the garment. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna kind of hold it here, and let's give this a go here. We'll go over a few spots, see how this is working. See, I definitely need to, it's hard to do one-handed because I would like to, let me try it on this side here, like kind of pull the material. You know, you gotta give it some help here. Oh, those wrinkles are coming out. Oh, that's pretty nice in comparison to the front side here. I did get, it works. And it's a perfect size to fit in your suitcase.